Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Data validation is an important step early in your analytics project, regardless of how thorough your data collection technology may be. For example, in my data, I may have highlighted a cell like you see here and accidentally touched the keyboard, and now I've changed the data. So if I don't know how to get out of that or change that, I have some bad data. So here's what we're going to do. We're going into data, validation, validate data. And we need to describe what data we have. First, I'm going to just select the case identifiers. These keys are called, there are foreign keys, primary keys, and the rest of these variables will be my analysis variables. So we'll select all of those. And then we need to select these tabs. You see there's several tabs. We'll explore those. But it's going to go through and check my variables based on these parameters. We'll stick with the defaults here, but looking for missing values or dominant categories, and also checking our IDs. So we'll say OK. The first warning is indicating that there were no empty IDs. We had IDs and every variable or most variables had something. More importantly, down below, we had some incomplete identifiers. Meaning like in case 288, we didn't have a patient ID, and then the other two, we didn't have a hospital ID. So we may need to do some work there. And down below, we see duplicate identifiers. And sometimes there's two of them, sometimes there are three. We need unique cases in order to do the analysis. So we need to identify these duplicate records, or do they need to be collected into one record? If you need some help with these concepts, please call us. We know all about these kinds of things, but this is the start of validating our data. There's more to explore, which we'll do in subsequent episodes. So please join us then, and thanks for watching.